Friends, my name is Himanshu Gupta. Okay, in this tutorial, we will learn something about tables. Okay, what are tables and how we can use it in our web page. So, tables, as you have seen in MS Excel, so that the data you are adding into tables. So, those are tables. So, how you can add those table to your HTML page or you can say your web page. So, let's start code for that. For now I am commenting this section which is not required for now. Just comment it out. Okay, save, reload. Okay, so here below this navigation tabs we will add our table. So what we need to do to add table, first of all we need to add a table tag. Table tag is basically a wrapper of our table. So everything inside the table will come under this table tag. Okay, in a table there are two sections, ta head and t body. T head, which is the heading of the table, and t body, uh, which name indicates that this is the heading and this is body of the table. So in heading we need to add a tr is basically a particular row. Okay, so in t head as is the heading, so t in tr in the first row we will add headings. Okay, so for headings there is a tag which is th. Okay, so in th tag which is table heading, we will add like serial number. Let's add some dummy data here. Th serial number, name, contact number. Okay, so let's save and just check. Yeah, so as you can see, a serial number, name, contact number as heading is displayed here. It is in bold, so uh, your heading is bold by default. Okay, you can change the style itself also, but by default it is bold. Okay, and so as you can see there is no border displayed over here. So for adding border in table, so what you need to do, add a border attribute, add it to 1, reload it, and yeah, here you can see border added. So now what you need to do, you need to add the data into it. So for adding data, just add one more row in your body. So you are adding data, so that's why body. So in this body I have added this td tag. In td, first one was our serial number, so serial number starts with 1. Okay, and after that the name, so td name would be, let's say I'm adding my name here, Himanshu Gupta. Okay, and contact number, td contact number, let's add some dummy number, save it and just go back, reload it. Okay, so as you can see here your table is displaying here with some data, with some dummy data. Okay, and if you want to add more data, let's say I'm copying the similar data, so you can just change the data. Just a minute, let me copy it, save it, reload it. Yeah, so data is added, uh, and what we can see is the table size is too small. So if you want to increase the table size, we can increase in terms of percentage. For now I'm just making it to 100% so that it can cover the this entire container. So for this what we can do is we can add the width equal to 100%. Just save it and reload it. Okay, so you can say, you can see, so width is 100%. Yeah, so now as you can see this heading is center aligned, content is left aligned, so it's looking little weird. So to fix this thing, what you can do, you can just left align to the your this heading. Okay, for aligning left, what you can do is you can just simply add an attribute to the your this tr tag here, so which is align equal to left. Save it and just reload it. Yeah, it comes into left. Okay, and now what you are seeing is there is double border, you can see. Okay, so why this is happening is this is basically table is made up of cells. Like you, as you are seeing this serial number and name, these are two particular cells, and both are independent. So this is spacing in between these cells, okay, which is added by default. So we need to fix this, and what we can do is we can just add cell spacing equal to 0. Save it and reload it. Okay, as you can see, that spacing is removed. And now what more thing you can do, you can just add the space. Now you can see this name, okay, this content is very much attached with this borders. Okay, you need some spacing with these borders. So what you can do for this is to make it little better, cell padding equal to 5. I'm adding the cell padding equal to 5. Yeah, so now it's looking a little cleaner. Okay, so this way you can just create a table. Okay, now what if you just need to make sure one thing, which is the number of th tags you are having. So same number of td tags should be there. Okay, otherwise it will look little weird. So, and if you and sometimes you what you need, sometimes there are some scenarios where you need uh, one column, and under which there would be two rows. Okay, uh, let's suppose you have a name column. Okay, this name column, it would be extended there extended to contact number. No contact number would be required. Under this name we will add this Himanshu Gupta and this contact number. So what we can do to achieve this, you can just first of all you just need to remove this contact number. Okay, and just remove it and let's see what happens. Yeah, here you can see contact number is removed. Now you want this contact numbers under this name. Okay, or instead of your name, let's add employee data. Let's save it, employee data. So this contact number comes under this employee data. Okay, so what we can do to extend this heading, just add the call span equal to 2. Save it and reload it. As you can see, employee data is extended. Okay, now these two comes under this employee data heading. Okay, in the same way you can extend the rows as well. Okay, so for to extend the rows, let me show you. Row span is used, so let's comment it out here. Okay, and let's add row span. I'm adding, let's suppose I'm adding this row span 3. Row span, let's add it 2 for now. Okay, and just remove this call span. Okay, so save it. Okay, what you can see is Manshupta. Let's suppose uh, let's add some name. Let's Steve. Okay, Steve name is added, and instead of using this one, we can add the name. Save, reload. So name would be Himanshu Gupta and Steve. And what you can do is, suppose sometimes you need a horizontal table. So in horizontal table, sometimes you need headings in left side in bold. So what you can do in that case is, your left, like th would be tt would be th, so it would be, and a serial number will be this will be td, Okay, and I'm adding it here. One, save, reload. As you can see, and this name should be left aligned. So align equal to left. Save it, reload it. Yeah. So name would be Himanshu and Steve, and here you can add more names as well. Like Steve added, so you can add other names. Let's add Robin. Okay. So your row span will be increased here. Yeah. So under this name, there are three names. Okay. Serial number is one. In the same way, you can add more tables. So I think hope you understand about tables, how to add this, how we can give spacing, and as width I've showed you. I've taken its width as 100%, so you can adjust its width according to you. Like if I do it 60%, reload it, it's 60%. Okay. So and the styling I have added, this is in HTML, and whenever you will code the table, in that case you won't be uh, able to, you won't need to do it in this HTML. You don't need to add this HTML attributes like border, width, cell spacing. We will do it in CSS. Okay. So we will add, what we will do is we will add a class and we will apply all this CSS in a separate style sheet, or you can use it in internal as per your use. Okay. Yeah. So so this is the end of this table video, and let's continue to next one. Thank you.